guys, so welcome back to our channel and welcome to the very first episode of Mr. and Mrs. Hart Unboxing and Reviews. For today's episode, I'm gonna unbox something that I'm gonna use for my work. So, ako lang po muna mag-isa. Alright, so I ordered a mouse and keyboard in Shopee. So, the same store lang siya. But I'm gonna review the keyboard first. So, this is what I'm gonna review. Okay, so this keyboard is called the GX50 and I bought it from Geekaware. So, GX50 and it's suspended keypress gaming keyboard. And it has a backlighting as well. So, I ordered white kasi medyo tired na yung mata ko sa itim. Puro na lang itim. Kasi parang napaka-usual na ng itim pag sa keyboard and mouse. So, I ordered white for them both. Yan. I'm gonna open this na. There you are. Okay, so this is the box. So it says here, tinalikod ko pa, pares lang pala. This Wrangler, okay, and GX50. Ayan, baliktad. GX50. So let's see. Open this box. And there you are. Okay. There it is. Ayan. So, tagalin natin sa ito. Ito. Wow! Wow! Does look good. Minhulog. Ayan po siya. And yan, suspended siya. Ayan, kita nyo. So, I have never tried a gaming keyboard before. This is my first time. And I own it. Okay, so, this is so cool. Sabi nila is may backlighting daw yung keyboard. So, we're gonna try that as well. Okay, and we're gonna try kung ano nga ba ang difference ng gaming keyboard sa ordinary keyboard. Because right now, I was using this keyboard that comes with my laptop. So, this is a Microsoft keyboard. And it feels good. But this is not actually mine. Comes with my laptop. That's not mine. So, yeah. It's not mine. I just borrowed it from my siblings. So, I'm gonna return it to them kasi mag-start na yung klase nila, online classes nila, and they have to use this. So that's why I bought my own keyboard and I choose this one. It's kinda heavy for a keyboard. It's not like this one. So this one is kinda lightweight, but this one is heavier. So let's see kung anong difference nila sa pagta-type. Meron bang ganun? Kasi, siguro naman may difference yun, di ba? Kaya nga, gaming and ano. O siguro dahil lang sa heavy duty siguro yung gaming keyboard. I'm not sure kasi, hindi kasi ako gamer. So, let's see. We're going to see the difference between the two. So, I'm recording the desktop so that we're gonna see the difference. Okay. So, for this one, okay. Oh, ayan na. Sinaksa ko na siya. And umilaw ito. But ito lang yung umilaw. I'm not sure kung paano siya pailawin. Ayun, scroll lock. Oh, there you are. Hindi masyadong kita kasi maliwanag. Hindi pa rin masyadong kita, pero ayan siya. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off as well. There you are. Ayan. Ayan. So, ayan po yung backlighting niya. I'm not sure kung interchangeable siya, pero ayan. Hindi. Yun lang siya. Ayan. Ayan siya. Okay, so it's so cool. It's really good. I like it. I like it already. Okay. So, that's it. Ayan. Yung feel niya, mas soft siya hawakan kumpara dito sa Microsoft keyboard. This is a bit hard to touch. So, let's see. I'm gonna open a notepad now. Okay. So, open a notepad and I'm gonna type this. Okay. Test. Okay. So, that feels kinda hard. Alright. So, now, this time, we're going to try the gaming keyboard. Ayan. We're going to type with this one. So, let's see kung anong difference talaga nila. Wow. Wow. This is so good. Okay, wow. That is very good. Wow. Very soft siya hawakan, i-touch. And very responsive siya. Wala siyang delay. Kahit milliseconds yata, wala siyang delay. It's so cool. It's so cool gamitin, guys. And it's so cool. I'm gonna use it for my work and I hope it will be very good. I hope it will do a good job for that. Okay, so that's all for the review of this one. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, I'm gonna paste the link in the description box below. So kung saan gusto nyong bumili, makakabili kayo. It's very affordable and it's so cool. So I hope it's okay din sa gaming. Kasi for gaming nga siya talaga. So yes. So that's all for today, guys. See you next time. Bye!